Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your country or your region on Steam account. To change your country on Steam, first of all, launch open your Steam application on your device, log into your Steam account like you normally do, and then go ahead and click on this username of yours at the top of the screen and click on Profile. Once you get to this profile section, click on the Edit Profile button, and once you are inside this profile section, make sure you are inside General and scroll down, and under Location, go ahead and click the drop down and select a location you want to change to. After making a selection, you can also update your state or province if available, and finally click on the Save button at the bottom to save your changes. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your country or your location on Steam application. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.